Hi, we had some major breakthroughs this week, and I want to come back to guided meditation a little bit. So here you see the brainstem and where the reticular activating system is located. That's a network of more than 100 small networks, where, as the word says it, it's a network of small neural connections, networks of maybe 150 neurons, and everything that every system that is allowed to, that doesn't need too much interpretation, can already be sent back feedback here and activated here, for example turning in your sleep. And that's something that fibromyalgia patients are suffering with. If they suffer from reactivation of herpes virus due to a secondary infection, for example, since 2020, a tick up in from the COVID virus, reactivating those herpes viruses that are in the brain. So we see a lot of people with pain in the muscles. And then here you see how the brain starts to split up into two brain halves. You know, if you have a left brain and a half and a right brain half, and then you already see here next to it, it's here in a little bit this ochre yellow. You see that, you know, that there is you see that in the, where do you see that? Here, maybe in the other screen that I have. Yeah, the insular cortex. So you know you have these lobes here, the yellow one, the blue one. This is the front, starts with the pink one, and then you have a lobe here, a lobe here, a lobe here, and here at the back the occipital lobe, where the visual is being processed, but your eyes are here on this side. And then you have this lobe here on your temples, but there is a lobe here. If you would open this one, if you could fold this one open, and that's what they do here. So you also see that there is a lobe here, that's the insular cortex. So insular from inside, it's a little bit like an island, you can see that here. So it floats next to, it folds open here. And so everything that's already a higher form of processing. So here, all this here, that is the reticular activating system. That's unconscious. Subconscious, that's like heart beating, pressure, turning in your sleep, that kind of stuff here. And then you have these two. Then the brain starts to come apart into two halves. The thalamus is here, and then if it needs more interpretation, then it goes first here. So here, everything that is, for example, what to do with proprioception, so with things that your body feels from your mecanoreceptors. Is it just an itch, or is it really pain? And what do I have to do with that pain? Is somebody hurting me? Do I have to take other action, or is it just I know I just touched something and I have to retract my legs? Or how do I have to interpret pain? That's being done here, and so that's also where and why this guided meditation for 10-20 minutes is good, and talking to yourself. This inner voice. So just listen to it and comfort it that everything is okay, it's gonna be okay, that you're in good hands, that you've made life changes, and that you can choose nice people, and that you can surround yourself with nice people, and you can get through things. So just I want to encourage you to focus again. After everything that we've achieved, that you have achieved, after working for 2 weeks, here, focus here again. Do another week of giving yourself and your brain time. Be nice to yourself and talk to yourself here for 10 minutes. Okay, during your meditation sessions, you just guide yourself, or just listen to somebody like Guru Sri Sri or something before sleeping, a siesta or anxiety or whatever. Just listen to his voice, and from time to time just think about this region here, your insular cortex, and here your thalamus, your two thalamuses, and here your brainstem. And tell yourself everything is gonna be okay. Okay? Thanks. Bye bye.